Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, I'm just going to show you how to create a calendar in Excel. So I'm just picking the year 2021, but you can pick any other year, obviously. So I just put in my first date and then I literally drag the dates all the way across. And you can see as I'm adding them, I'm going to put in all the dates for the calendar and I'm basically going to run it all the way to the end of the year. Now you can see on the screen that Excel is actually giving me the dates as I go along. So at the moment I'm up to May, June, July, August, October, keep going. Oh, there we go. Whoops, just past there then. First one here. Now, fortunately, it looks as though it's a little bit too narrow for it, so I need to go up here to Format and then Auto Fit Column Width. First step. Now, I also want to put in the month and the days because that makes it easier for people to look at. So I use that by using the text function, equals text. And then I just move this out of the way, click here, and I'm going to begin just with the month. So I'll just type in 3 M's, close my inverted commas, close my brackets, press enter. I'm going to do that first, and I'm also going to put in the day. So I do the same thing again, equals text again, double click on it, first one, comma, and I'm just going to put in 3 D's for the 3 days, 3 letters for the day. Now once I've got the 2 of them done, I literally highlight all the way, just drag it all the way across because I've got them all done now at this point. There we go, right to the end, lovely jubbly. And back in again. All right. Now what I want to do next is I want to do some formatting on this. So I want to do some formatting on, I want to do some formatting here essentially on let's say basically anything that's kind of a weekend that's color coded. Also going to do a little bit on the bank holidays, and then we'll do the other 3, which is like the the sick leave, annual leave, and I've just put those up all there with a comment. Okay, so I'm going to begin first of all, let's say putting in the weekend, which will basically be your Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so I hand it down to there, do Control Shift across, got it selected. I then go up to conditional formatting, new rule, and I basically want to say use a formula. I use equals or. All right. Now note here when I go back to this one and I click up here on my day of the week, note that I press F4 3 times until it reads, let me press it again actually to have it actually correct, until it reads $3 because I want it always to be referencing back to that row. Okay, is equal to, let's say it's going to be Saturday, and then comma, same thing again, this one up here, and I'm just pressing F4 until it reads $3 is equal to Sunday. Whoops, SUN. Close the bracket, and then I go down to Format, and I choose that same color there. I've chose those colors, but obviously you could use your own color for it. Click OK, and then click OK. All right, you can see that it's formatted all those ones there on it. Now I want to do the same thing now for the bank holidays. So I already have the bank holidays down here. Okay, so I already kind of got them from the internet, copied it into it. And I'm going to use a VLOOKUP that basically says, if it matches one of these, make it go this color here, bank holiday. So still highlighted, conditional formatting, down here to new rule, use a formula, equals VLOOKUP. Okay, click on this one here. Right, I'm just pressing F4 again until it locks the row, comma, bank holidays, highlight my columns here, comma, 1 column, 0 to be an exact match, and then I click Format again, and I just choose that orange that I have there, and then click OK, and click OK. All right, so see there's my January already, and the next bank holiday I think then is over in October. No, sorry, I'm wrong. Over in Patrick's Day on the 17th. Okay, so they've all been color coded already. Now the next thing you just want to look at is if, for example, let's say somebody goes on maternity leave or annual leave or any of these other ones. What we're going to do is we're basically going to just color code it. So when somebody enters it, for example, maternity leave, this changes color. So I still highlight this again. Remember my Control Shift arrow across. Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, equal to, and I'm just going to go back here again and I'm going to have it the same as this, maternity leave. From my custom format, choose the same color as that. Okay, and okay. All right. Now the thing about this is that you don't see it, but for example, if I come here and type in ML, see there, it's changed automatically. Right, or I might, and then if I want to overwrite it, just copy this down on it. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing now for sick leave. Click here, Control Shift arrow down, or let me just select from there down to there, Control Shift arrow across. I just go to conditional format, highlight cells rules, equal to, and again I just go back over to this one. I choose SL, choose my custom format, make sure it's the same as I have there. Click OK. Okay, so if I type in SL here, there it is, it changes automatically. And then if I made a mistake, copy it down from the one above it. And the final one I'm going to do is just annual leave. Down to there, Control Shift arrow across, conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, equal to, okay, just go back over here again to this one, annual leave, and the custom format, choose my green here, make sure I've chosen the correct shade of green, yes I have, click OK, and then OK. Somebody comes here and types in AL, it changes automatically, and if I make a mistake, just copy it. Okay. Now I want to do two other things here, which is I basically want to kind of put some formatting on it. There, Control Shift arrow across. So I'm just going to use my little formatting up here, all borders, and just say I could leave that, maybe highlight those to make them a little bit bold, make it a little bit bigger if possible. I mean, what you could also do as well is you could also color code, for example, if it's January. All right, I'm just going to do the first one so you can see how it's done. Color code January, let's say as a particular color. So to there, and just go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, equal to, I type in Jan, I'm going to leave it on that one there. All right, and the very last bit is that when I want to use it, I need to use my freeze panes. So I click here, go up to view, freeze panes, and now when I scroll across, there it is, ready to go. Okay, and you have your final version on it as well. All right, so hope you found this useful. Take care of yourself, mind yourself. Bye.